Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Before I begin the presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Roby Gusti Saputro. Today, I will the presentation about facility layout planning sport shoes product. And the first background. In the current era of globalization, where the level of competition is higher than the marketing side, the production or productivity side also has a big role to play in ensuring customer satisfaction both in terms of quantity accuracy and delivery time, as well as product quality according to specification. For that, productivity improvement program must always be carried out as well as possible. One of the factors that affect the effectiveness of a company's production is the layout planning of the workstation. A workstation is an area, place, or location where production activities will be held to convert raw material into a product that has added value. A properly designed workstation will be able to provide work safety and comfort for the operator, which in turn will have a significant effect on determining its performance. In the design or redesign of workstation, there must be a compromise between the biological needs of the operator and the needs of the physical workstation. Size, less function in the workstation. Compromise for suitability need to consider anthropometry and the location of machine element to the work position. Rank, view, space for movement, and interface between the operator body and the machine. Where can support smooth production activity in the movement and storage of production material. Setting the layout on the optimal workstation will be able to provide confidence in making change to production floor in the future. Theoretical basis. Bill of material, or often abbreviated as BOM, is a description or definition of the final product consisting of item, material, or materials needed to assemble, mix, or produce the final product. Bill of material comes in several forms and can be used for various purposes. Bill of material are created as part of the design process and are used by manufacturing engineers to determine which items should be purchased or produced. Production and inventory control. Planning use BOM with a master production schedule to determine the right time for an item to be purchased or produced. Creating an accuracy bill of material is very important because it ensures that spare parts are available when needed and ensures that the assembly process is as efficient as possible. If the BOM is inaccurate, it can cause production to stall, which increases operating costs. Due to the time it takes to find a missing part, start production again, or until the assembly process is actually defined. Different types of bill of material depending on the type of project and business requirement. Common areas that make use of BOM are engineering, design, operation, manufacturing, and more. Manufacturing BOM is very important in designing in price resourcing planning and material requirement planning system. Items included in the BOM are part number, part name, quantity, unit of measure, assembly reference, part construction method, and additional notes. And the next method. The method used is a descriptive method that explains the primary and secondary data obtained in sports shoe manufacturing companies, such as draft layout of shoe making, operational process chart or OPC for making sports shoes, material flow for sports shoes. And the next, results. Based on the reports that have been made, I have obtained several results, namely: first, process layout. Layout type is the only layout type that is suitable for the shoe manufacturing industries, which has high product variety and high production volume. 2. The main components of shoe manufacture are upper, midsole, and outsole. The next, conclusion. The role of layout is very important in the arrangement of facilities in the industrial world, especially in this shoe manufacturing company. The making of this layout is only made mathematically, therefore we provide suggestion that a simulation of the layout can be carried out using several software programs to determine whether the layout arrangement in the production of making sport shoes has gone well or still needs to be improved to get maximum productivity. From the material I have explained, are there any questions?
From the presentation material described earlier, what are the advantages and disadvantages of process-based layout?
The advantages of process-based layout are: first, low total investment for the purchase of machinery and or production equipment due to the use of common types of machine. In addition, there is great production flexibility. 2. Easy to deal with machine breakdown. 3. Possibility of better and more efficient supervision activities through work specialization. While the weakness of the layout based on the process is: first, long production line, more expensive material moving. 2. Total production time is longer. 3. Diversification of product phase. Job order requires operators who have high expertise. 4. Production planning and control systems are more complex and complex, requiring precision in analysis. Okay, maybe that's all I can say in this presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.